Hello guys, welcome to my webinar Future of E-commerce is Headless and Composable Commerce, and this is Siva Kumar, Technical Project Lead at Kleiser. I have over 10 years of experience in front development and as well as e-commerce web page designing. And yes, today we are diving deep into the new concept in the e-commerce world, Headless and Composable Commerce. Now you might be wondering, what exactly does Headless and Composable means? Please stick around till the end of the video. We are going to discuss more about it in this webinar. E-commerce has came a long way. From its humble beginning, it has revolutionized the way we shop. Today, customer expects seamless and personalized experience. Business needs to adapt to stay ahead, and this is where headless and composable commerce come in. These innovative approaches are transforming the future of e-commerce business. Traditional e-commerce platforms are often rigid and inflexible. They limit the business in their ability to adapt and innovate. Headless and composable commerce offer a solution where they can empower businesses to create dynamic and engaging shopping experience. The future of e-commerce is all about agility, flexibility, and customer centric. Before we move on with our topic, let's discuss about monolithic e-commerce platforms which we had previously. A single unified system where everything is tightly integrated together. Your product catalog, checkout process, content management, product search, recommendations, all the user data are packed inside one place, which is a good option for a business who's looking for simplicity. But however, there is a catch. As your business grows, this approach can become limiting. With everything packed together, any hiccup can cause delays. Monolithic system can struggle under high traffic and demand, making scalability a challenge, and integrating new systems might also be quite challenging. Headless commerce is basically decoupling your front and backend systems separately. Imagine running your online store with no restrictions of the traditional e-commerce platforms. Essentially, the head, that is your interface, works independently from the body, which handles the backend operations. Think of the way your website aesthetics and functionalities can be developed separately from your inventory management, customer data, and other behind scene process. This means you can create a tailor-made experience for your customer that goes beyond what's typically possible with the standard e-commerce platforms which we had in the past. Headless commerce is like building a house with interchangeable parts. Imagine constructing a home where every component can be easily swapped out and upgraded without tearing down the entire structure. Imagine being able to swap out the layout or even the entire interior design with minimal effort. This is the kind of flexibility headless commerce offers to online businesses. You can change the plumbing, electric system, or any other internal utilities without affecting the structural integrity of the house. This means you can keep your core system intact while making necessary upgrades. This is the essence of headless commerce. It allows you to innovate and adapt quickly, ensuring your business stays ahead of the curve. It separates the front end, the head, and from the back end, the body of your online store. This decoupling means you can work on the customer facing side independently from the back end system. So, this separation gives you unparalleled flexibility. You can adapt to market changes, customer preferences, and new technologies without overhauling your entire system. You can customize the customer facing front side of your store without touching the complex backend system. This means faster updates, more personalization experience, and more agile business model. This means you can experiment with different design features and functionalities without disturbing your ongoing operations. A/B testing becomes simpler and you can roll all your new features seamlessly. Your team can work on improvements and innovations without worrying about downtime or any other issues. This leads to a smoother workflow and more efficient business operations. Headless commerce empowers you to create unique and engaging shopping experience that caters to the evolving needs of your customers. By leveraging this flexibility, you can ensure your online store remains competitive and relevant in a rapid changing market. With some of the frameworks like Magento 2, the advantage multiplies exponentially. This powerful platform provides flexibility you need for headless setup. Magento, using APIs, you can connect your custom front-end experience to the Magento's robust backend. Imagine crafting an unique user experience, whether it is a mobile app, a web store, or even an IoT device, all pulling data from same Magento backend but a separate front end, which is a marketer's dream come true. So, why should you make a leap to headless commerce? Here are a few compelling reasons. First reason, increase the front end flexibility. You can innovate without limitations as the front end is not tied to your backend system. You will have great freedom to choose any front end technologies to deliver your commerce using the APIs around multiple channels and devices same time with single backend. Improved performance. By separating the front end and back end, you can optimize load times and enhance user experience. Customers are less likely to abandon their carts if your site is super fast and super smooth. The third reason is API driven integration. API driven architecture allows for easy integration with your backend e-commerce applications like Magento 2 and other popular frameworks, which comes with an out-of-box GraphQL and REST API support. It makes the development process more easier for the headless architecture. Future proofing your business. As digital trend evolves, your system can evolve with it with headless architecture. No more being tied out to the old frameworks. Freedom to choose various technologies and various frameworks. Choose between various frameworks like React, Angular, Vue, and a lot of them. There are a lot of pre-built headless frameworks in the market also. And you can also create a new framework which suits your business need as per your requirement. Now, perhaps you're asking, does headless commerce mean I need a team of developers? The answer is it can be simple or complex as you want it to be. For those who are willing to invest time in building custom solutions, the sky is limit. Implementation doesn't have to be daunting. With the right strategy and team, whether in-house team or through partnerships, you can transition smoothly into headless commerce world. Remember, it's all about enhancing customer experience, and headless commerce makes that reality. We spoke about headless. So, now coming to the composable commerce. Composable commerce is an modular architecture where it takes the headless approach to the next level that empowers the business to select and integrate various services like payment gateways, inventory management, search and AI, customer engagement tools, all from different vendors using different backend. Confused? Okay. Imagine here is a single page application where you can see the search is from an AI driven platform and with a separate backend, and products from an e-commerce platform using GraphQL, and product recommendations from a different AI generated system or a third party or any other vendors. Composable commerce takes a modular approach to build your e-commerce platform. Imagine having a toolbox filled with best in class tools and services. You can pick and choose the one that best fits your need and assemble them into a custom built platform. Yes, this is the power of composable commerce. Instead of relying on one monolithic platform, you can select individual components from different vendors. This will allow you to create a tailored solution that meets your specific business requirement. You can choose the best payment gateway, the most robust inventory management tool, and the most engaging customer relationship management tool from different vendors and combine it together into a single e commerce application. By leveraging the APIs, companies can swiftly adapt to market changes, scale operations, and innovate without the limitations or constraints with the monolithic systems. Here are a few advantages of the composable commerce. So the first one, extended flexibility. Since the backend services are separate for each functions, we have an huge and open options in the market to choose between and try out what works better for our business. And hey, if it doesn't work, try new ones because it's not going to affect the rest of the operations. Full control over the user experience. As we have the freedom to choose between the best of the best for all the specific functions we require, we can create a better user experience where in traditional monolithic approach, we will be tied to a single commerce application for all the functions, which will lead us to compromise the user experience. Easy integration with any third party applications. With easy integration with any third party applications using the APIs, you don't need to rely on your e-commerce provider for any specific functionality which they might provide or might not be a common issue with the other e-commerce retailers, so it requires a customization for your specific business need. In this case, we can choose between the wide range of third-party providers and integrate their solution into our front-end application with composable commerce approach. While headless and composable commerce are distinct concepts, they work best together. Headless commerce decouples front-end presentation layer from the back-end functionality, allowing the business to create unique and engaging user experience without being constrained by limitations of traditional e-commerce platforms. Headless commerce provides the flexibility to create unique front-end experience, enabling the developer to use any technology stack they prefer. This means you can deliver a seamless and consistent user experience across various devices and touchpoints, from mobile apps to smartwatches, and the limits are endless. So, composable commerce allows you to select and integrate best of breed components and services that suit specifically your business needs, such as payment gateway, inventory management system, customer relationship management tools. When they combine and create it into a powerful application that unlocks endless possibilities of innovation and growth. This combination enables business to be more agile, quickly adapting to market changes and customer demands. Imagine using a headless CMS to manage your content and deliver personalized experience across multiple channels. This approach ensures that your content is always relevant and engaging, tailored to the preferences and behavior of your customers. At the same time, you can leverage composable commerce platform to integrate best-in-class tools for order management, shipping, and customer services, and goes endless. This modular approach allows you to scale your business efficiently, adding more replaceable components as needed without disrupting your entire system. This allows you to create a truly agile and future proof e commerce ecosystem. By combining the strength of headless and composable commerce, you can stay ahead of the competition, continuously innovate, and deliver exceptional customer experience that drive growth and success to your business. These modern approaches to e commerce architecture are transforming the way business is operating now, allowing you to adapt quickly to changing the marketing trends and customer demands in faster paced landscape. The ability to adapt and respond to new opportunities or challenges is crucial for success. You can experiment with new technologies, new futures, and expand into new markets. With this flexibility, you can stay ahead of the curve continuously, innovating and improving your offerings to meet the evolving needs of your customers. Innovation is another key benefit by leveraging headless and composable commerce. You can integrate cutting edge technologies, tools that drives creativity and efficiency in your technology. This fast environment where new ideas flourish, leading to groundbreaking products and services. By decoupling your front end and back end, you free yourself from the constraint of a traditional e-commerce platforms. This separation allows for more specialized development, enabling your team to work independently and more effectively on their respective barriers. This empowers you to create truly unique and engaging shopping experience which differentiate your brand and captivate your customers. With this ability to customize every aspect of the user journey, you can build a loyal customer base, those who values the personalized touch. Finally, headless and composable commerce enable you to put your customer as the heart of your e-commerce strategy. By focusing on customer centric, you can ensure that every interaction is meaningful and tailored to individual preferences. You can create personalized experience and deliver targeted content and provide seamless journey. This approach not only leads to customer satisfaction but also higher engagement, conversion rate, ultimately contributing to long-term success of business. Some of the real-world success stories, business thriving with headless and composable commerce with their forward thinking, have already embraced the power of this technology. So, Nike, for example, uses a headless commerce architecture to its highly customized, engaging online store, allows them to deliver a consistent brand experience across multiple device and touch points. There are also challenges to consider. Implementing these approaches can be complex and require technical expertise. Integrating different systems and components can also be challenging. Finding and retaining skilled professionals with experience in headless commerce and composable can be slightly difficult. These technologies are still relatively new and the talents are still developing. This can make it challenging to find the right people to build and maintain your platform. Despite these challenges, there are strategies you can adopt to ensure a successful implementation. First, start by partnering with experienced vendors and consultants who can guide you through this process. And next, invest in training and development for your team to build internal expertise. Focus on building a strong foundation with a well defined architecture and clear business goal. This will help you to avoid common issues and ensure that your platform is scalable, and approach this by starting small manageable projects and gradually expand your capabilities over time. The future of e-commerce is dynamic, innovative, and customer centric. Headless and composable enables this future, empowering business to create seamless, personalized, and engaging shopping experience. Technology continues to evolve. We can expect even more exciting development in the world of headless and composable. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the things further enhance the capabilities of these approaches, leading to even more personalized and immersive intelligence shopping experience. So, is headless and composable commerce are the future of online retailers? Many answers with a resounding yes. Whether you are a startup or a successful e-commerce player, adopting to this new approaches with your e-commerce platform could be a game changer you've been searching for. And that's it for today's webinar, guys. If you found this video insightful, please follow Kleiser for more tech breakdowns and let us know how you are planning to implement your new e-commerce application. Let's share idea and elevate our business together. Thanks for being here and giving us your valuable time. And remember one thing, do not just adapt to change, lead with it. Until next time, keep innovating. Thank you, guys.